Welcome. Today we have something truly exciting to share with you. Something that could change the way you think about digital currency forever. Big news is shaking up the world of digital money. Pi Network is making headlines across the globe, and for good reason. Imagine using the Pi you've mined on your phone to shop on Amazon, the world's largest online store. This isn't just a dream anymore. It's quickly becoming a real possibility. This isn't just another update. It's a potential game changer for online payments. The way we buy, sell, and interact with money online could be transformed. Real partnerships and new tech are turning this vision into reality. Major companies and innovative developers are working together to make Pi spendable in more places than ever before. Pi Network's mission has always been to empower everyday people, and this is its boldest move yet. It's about giving everyone, everywhere, a chance to participate in the digital economy. We'll break down how you could soon swap Pi for special tokens, unlocking new ways to use your digital assets and opening doors to exclusive offers. And that's not all. You might even be able to use a brand new Visa card for purchases, making your Pi as spendable as traditional money. This is about more than tech. It's about changing how we use value in daily life. Imagine paying for coffee, groceries, or gifts with Pi seamlessly and securely. Whether you're a longtime Pi user or just curious about the future of digital payments, this news could impact how you shop, save, and interact online. Let's dive in and uncover the massive surprise Pi Network has in store. There's a lot to explore, and you won't want to miss a single detail. Get ready for a journey into the future of payments. The next chapter in digital currency starts now. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Pi Network? Let's break it down in simple terms so anyone can understand. Pi Network is a digital currency, similar to Bitcoin, but with a twist. It's designed for everyone, not just tech experts or miners with expensive computers. All you need is your smartphone, making it incredibly easy to get started. You earn Pi by simply tapping a button on the app once a day. There's no need for complicated mining rigs or high electricity bills. This makes Pi both accessible and energy efficient, so anyone can participate from anywhere. Pi Network was launched in 2019 by a group of Stanford graduates. Their goal was to solve a big problem. Most cryptocurrencies are too hard for regular people to access or understand. Pi set out to change that. The result? Today, there are tens of millions of pioneers around the world. These users are all working together, building value and growing the Pi community every single day. Pi's real strength lies in its massive global community. People from all walks of life are ready to use Pi for real transactions, connecting cultures and countries through digital money. Security is a top priority. Pi uses systems to make sure only real people can participate, protecting the network from bots and fake accounts. Unlike many other cryptocurrencies, Pi focused on building a strong user base first. Only after millions joined did they start adding new features and expanding what the app can do. The ultimate dream? To use Pi for real-world purchases, whether you're buying a cup of coffee, groceries, or even bigger items, all with your phone. Thanks to recent updates and new features, that dream is now closer than ever before. The Pi ecosystem is growing fast. Pi is digital money created for the people, by the people. It's a community-driven project that puts power in your hands. The foundation is set, and the possibilities are endless. Now, the most exciting chapter of Pi Network is just beginning. Here's what has everyone buzzing. Soon, you may be able to swap your Pi for AMZ tokens designed for shopping. Think of it like exchanging currency before a trip, but all within the Pi app. The process will be simple: tap, swap, and you're ready to shop. AMZ tokens act as a bridge, letting you spend your Pi on major e-commerce platforms. This clever workaround could fast-track Pi's real-world use. Suddenly, your Pi isn't just a number, it's a ticket to real products. This is the utility pioneers have been waiting for. The ability to swap Pi for shopping tokens is a huge leap forward. The plan is moving from theory to reality, and excitement is building. Your digital earnings could soon fill your shopping cart. Here's the wild part. The proposed swap rate is 314,159 per Pi, in homage to the mathematical constant. If this holds, even a small amount of Pi could be life-changing. The idea is to create a stable, high-value ecosystem from the start, avoiding wild crypto price swings. For users, this means confidence, knowing exactly what your Pi is worth when shopping. It's a bold move to build trust and attract businesses. While this number is still speculative, it's become a rallying cry for the community. The ambition is clear. Pi aims to be a major force, not just another digital coin. Whether the final value matches or not, the vision is massive. Pioneers are energized by the potential. Pi is aiming for the big leagues in digital finance. Picture this. You fill your Amazon cart, and at checkout, you see Pay with AMZ tokens. One tap, and your Pi-linked wallet covers the purchase. No credit card numbers, no hassle. Even better, Pi holders could enjoy zero transaction fees, making shopping cheaper. There's talk of exclusive discounts for Pi users, VIP Prime deals, faster shipping, special rates. It's a reward for being a pioneer and part of the Pi ecosystem. Shopping becomes seamless, secure, and more rewarding. No more hidden fees or complicated checkouts. This vision transforms online shopping into a premium experience. The future, your digital currency, your everyday purchases, all in one smooth process. Pi is working to make this a reality. The possibilities are exciting. The Amazon news is huge, but here's another breakthrough. The Pi Network Visa Card. Partner company TLK is launching a real, physical Visa card linked to your Pi. This card connects your digital assets to the global financial system, accepted almost everywhere. Use it for groceries, travel, dining, or online shopping, just like any bank card. No more complicated exchanges or waiting days for transfers. Recharge your Visa card with Pi instantly and spend it worldwide. This makes your digital wealth truly usable in daily life. The card's launch is a concrete step toward real-world utility. Pi is moving from digital promise to tangible value. It's not just about earning Pi, it's about spending it anywhere. Beyond shopping and cards, Pi's ecosystem is expanding fast. The network now offers .pi domain names, unique digital identities for users and businesses. This is a step toward a secure, user-owned Web3 internet. Education is key. TLK's Web3 College teaches blockchain and digital finance to the community. PiDex, a decentralized exchange, is in test mode, letting users safely try asset swaps. These features build a robust, sustainable digital world. Pi isn't just a payment app, it's a full ecosystem. Every new tool adds value for millions of pioneers. The vision a thriving digital nation, not just a currency. The Pi community is buzzing. There's a sense of electricity in the air that's hard to ignore. After years of anticipation, patience, and countless discussions, it finally feels like all the waiting is about to pay off in a big way. With the Visa card now confirmed and Amazon integration rumored to be just around the corner, excitement has reached an all-time high. People are talking about real-world use cases, not just possibilities. For many, this is about more than just money. It's about validation for believing in Pi's vision from the very beginning and seeing that belief finally rewarded. Social media is ablaze with speculation, hot takes, and dreams of what's next. Every new rumor or announcement sparks a fresh wave of excitement and debate. The 314,959 per Pi figure has fueled wild optimism, especially in regions where financial opportunities are limited. For some, Pi represents a chance at a better future. Pi's global reach means this news isn't just local. It matters everywhere, connecting people from every corner of the world. For shoppers, it could mean simpler, more rewarding online payments, and a new way to experience e-commerce. Fee-free shopping, exclusive perks, and the thrill of being part of something new are powerful motivators for millions. The Pi network is putting users first, aiming to solve real problems and make digital finance accessible to everyone. While some features are confirmed and others remain dreams, the ambition and drive behind Pi are undeniable. The community's hopes are higher than ever. Speculation and discussion drive excitement, keeping the community engaged and invested in every new development. Millions are watching and waiting with anticipation, eager to see what comes next for Pi and for themselves. Let's wrap up. Pi Network is at a turning point, blending confirmed breakthroughs with bold ambitions. The Visa card is real. Spend your Pi anywhere Visa is accepted. The vision for Amazon shopping and AMZ tokens could revolutionize online payments. Pi's approach is simple. Make digital money accessible and useful for everyone. No tech expertise needed, just real benefits for real people. By building a massive community and now adding real-world utility, Pi is changing the game. Whether you're a pioneer or new to Pi, this is a project to watch. The future of payments might just be a tap away.